In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Claude Code account. If you use different logins for work and personal projects, or you just need to switch identities, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to move from one Claude Code account to another without any confusion. We'll keep it simple and make sure nothing important gets lost along the way. Start on your Claude Code homepage. This is the main screen where you see your projects, files, or editor. Before you switch, take a moment to save any open work, commit or sync any changes if you're using a connected repo, and let any running tasks finish. That way, you won't accidentally close something in progress. A stable internet connection helps the sign out and sign in flow complete smoothly. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the interface for your profile icon. Click it to open the account menu, then choose Log Out. If a confirmation appears, go ahead and confirm. Logging out simply ends your current session. It doesn't delete projects or settings tied to your account. Your data stays with the account in the cloud, ready for when you sign back in. Once you've logged out, you'll be taken to the welcome or landing screen. Click Sign In to begin a fresh session. If for any reason you don't see the button right away, it's usually on the main landing screen or header after you've logged out. A quick refresh can bring it back into view if your browser cached the previous page. Now connect with the new account you want to use. Select your preferred sign-in method, whether that's email and password, a provider like Google or GitHub, or your organization's single sign-on, and complete any prompts that appear. If multi-factor authentication is enabled, approve it to finish the switch. Pay close attention to the identity shown on the sign-in screen, so you're choosing the correct email or organization. If you accidentally pick the wrong one, simply log out again and repeat the sign-in with the right credentials. After you've signed in, confirm you're on the intended account. Open the profile menu again and check the displayed email or initials. Your projects, chat history, and settings should now match the selected account. If you find the app keeps pulling in your previous identity, try signing out of your identity provider in another browser tab, using a private window, or clearing site cookies for the sign-in page, then repeat the process. That's all it takes. Save your work, log out from the profile menu, click Sign In, and connect with the account you want. Repeat these same steps anytime you need to switch back.